Hey there, SubaruSteve here from RK Subaru. Today I want to do a quick video on features and benefits. The feature today is intermittent wipers. So bear with me as I try to illustrate this. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so depending on your vehicle, of course all Subarus will have them on the right side. You're going to have a stick on the left for your turn signals and a stick on the right, and I say stick, I mean this arm right here, for your wipers, and a rear wiper if you have one as well. So we're going to take a closer look at this stick right here, and if I turn my wipers on, I just press down 2 clicks and they're going to operate at slow speed. One more down is going to be a faster speed, and we'll go over that again. So pulling it down 2 clicks, 1, 2, they're on slow speed, as you can see. One more down makes them go faster. So what the feature today is the intermittent wiper portion, and that's this band right here that turns. So you'll notice that on your wiper stick. Up is going to be the longest, the wider the line, the longer the intermittent timing, and down all the way down to the thin arrow part. It's kind of hard to show here, but makes it go quicker. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to set this for a faster intermittent speed, pull it down 1 click, and you'll notice that the wipers do a pass, and then another pass, and so on. So if it's misting outside, you can set your wipers to operate like that. Okay, now if you want it to be a little bit longer, all you do is push that band back out to the very longest, and it's going to be quite a bit longer than just a slow mist. There you go, there's one, and it's going to take a little bit longer before the next one kicks in. A little bit longer. Hello, Mr. Car. Goodbye, Mr. Car. And again, that is really long. Did I do something wrong? Where is it at? There we go. So that's how long you can set it, or you can set it for quicker. I just moved it forward again, and it's going to do a couple seconds. Now you can set that in the middle as well. So let's see if I can get a better look here. So that band right there, that's the long delay, that's the short delay, and then you got 1, 2, 3. There's actually 4 clicks there, from fast to slowest, and then in between. So there you go, intermittent wipers, folks. If you have any questions about using your wipers on a rainy day, foggy day, misty day, snowy day, whatever, give me a call in the 757. I'm more than happy to assist you. You can reach me at 793-6656. Check me out on my .com site. I'd like to know what you think about that. Should I pay for another year? The site is SubaruSteve.com. Go figure. And if you have any questions at all, again, let me know. And really big. I've got a video on YouTube that's got over 60,000 views. I could use your help if you've not already looked at it and or subscribed. Please look for that on my YouTube channel. You can access that channel from my website, SubaruSteve.com. And if you subscribe to YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support. And if there's anything I can do for you, just let me know. Have a great day, folks. And even in the rain, whatever you do it in a Subaru.